can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off.
Hi everyone, this is Felisa and welcome back to the channel. I am doing a vlog every single day for the month of August. Be sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, give this video a big thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram. Okay, love, so I'm going to attempt to make these luxurious, glamorous pillows that I saw on this website. Okay, so the pillows are actually 150 bucks, but I'm going to save a lump sum of money by attempting to DIY these pillows. Now, the pillow covers that I have actually came from Amazon. I have the link below. The vinyl, the iron-on vinyl that I have came from Amazon as well. I have the link below to that. So basically, I have a regular pillowcase at the bottom so that I can not damage my glass on my table. Then I have my pillow cover and I have the vinyl. Now, I've already pre-cut the vinyl into the square shape that I wanted. And I'm also cutting another piece of the vinyl off so that once I iron my vinyl on my pillow cover, I'll have that clear area that I can pull off, because if you don't cut a little piece off, you're going to have a hard time pulling off the clear cover that's covering your actual vinyl itself. So I'm placing my vinyl in the middle of my pillowcase, and then I'm going to get another pillowcase and place it on top of that, and then I'm just going to iron. You know, from those of us from the old school days when we used to get letters, put our names on the back of our shirts, we used to iron them on there. So that's basically all I did. So I just ironed the vinyl on my pillow cover. Once done ironing, I just peeled the clear protectant off, and voila, I had the glamorous pillow from which I saved almost 300 bucks. And I want to give a shout out to Zgallerie Design for helping me come up with this idea. Okay, love, so I'm super happy on how the pillows came out. They don't look exactly the same as the pillows look on the Luxury Pillow Company site, but honey child, they works well for me. I like the fact that I did the gold on one side and I did the silver on the other side. So that was an awesome idea because I really love silver. Silver is my color. It's my go-to color. But I love to play around with gold. And I have it on my other go-to color, which is the teal. And so as you see, I have those Ming boxes back there. And I'm just going to show you guys how I would style these pillows on my couch. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off. You got devotion, dance in slow motion. My eyes can't help looking at you right now. So much emotion, just pick your poison. Is every move you make even allowed? Can't get enough. I try my best to look away, but I can't stop. Am I afraid to you? We almost touch. I feel your body move my way, you're close enough. So